What's good? It's your girl, and I'm about to go in CVS, and I'm doing some basic transactions. So I'm going to show you some deals that anybody could do, even you. Now this is what it's all about. When you can use coupons to take a total from $35 down to 96 cents, that's the reason for this season. I'm about to show you 3 deals that any new person can do. But if you have extra care bucks, then just use those to pay instead of paying out of pocket. These sure are $2. And then when you pay your $2 for them, you will get back $2 in extra care bucks. It's going to cost $2, the Sure, this $2 extra buck to pay for the Sure. So the Sure will be completely free. And then they will give me back another $2 extra buck to use on my next deal. And that is exactly how you roll CVS extra care bucks. These Palmolive are buy one, get one half off. So when you buy 2, they're going to be about $2.84. Well, you just made $2 off of buying the Sure deodorant. So when you check out with these 2 Palmolive, you're going to use your $2 extra buck from the Sure to pay for these Palmolive. Then you're going to have to come out of pocket about 84 cents to cover the rest of the total. Then they're going to give you back another $2 extra care buck for you to use on your next deal. Awesome. Okay, we're at our 3rd transaction. These are Johnson & Johnson first aid kits. They're $1.99, and when you buy 3, you get back a $5 extra buck. So ring up all 3, which will come to $6. Use your $2 extra buck that you got from purchasing Palmolive. Pay $4 out of pocket, and you will get back a $5 extra buck for your next deal. Okay, so for those of you that want to keep going, I've given you a bonus deal. This deal will work for those of you that took my advice and went out and got 4 of your local newspapers this past Sunday. Okay, so for the Aleve deal, they are spend $20 and get back $8 in extra care bucks. So they're also on sale, buy one, get one half off. So if you were to buy 4 of the Aleve products, you would hit the total of $24.87 going by my prices in my store. But usually they're around the same price. And so you would need 4 of the Smart Source coupons. The Smart Source was in 428 newspaper last Sunday. And you would need 4 of those Aleve coupons out of there. We had high value $4 coupons in that paper. So you would need 4 of those to go with the 4 of these that you're going to buy. 4 Aleves, that's the deal. You can actually reach the threshold with just 3 Aleve products. However, if you have a 4th coupon, you might as well get the 4th box because it's going to be the same price due to the sale. The way the sale is set up, it's going to be the same price if you have 4 coupons, whether you buy 3 or 4. So go ahead and buy 4, and then use your 4 $4 off coupons off of Aleve, and then also use your $5 extra buck that you just got for purchasing your Johnson & Johnson first aid kit. So once you do that, your total will be $3.87 that you will need to pay out of pocket. Pay that out of pocket, and then they will give you back $8 in extra care bucks to use on your next deal. I hope this helps. It's a written breakdown of all the deals. You can do all these transactions back to back in one store visit if you choose. Each of these deals is also limited to 1 extra buck reward per card. And if you have any CVS store coupons that match these products, such as a Pain Relief Digital or Redbox coupon, use it for even more savings. Lastly, as a recap, If you did all 4 of these transactions starting with no ECBs, you will pay about $12 out of pocket. However, you will end with $8 in ECBs, which nets you a total cost of only $4 for all 10 products. And your next CVS deal should be even less out of pocket, since now you'll be starting off with your own extra care bucks. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a lot more that I want to share with you.